Want to program a key fob for your 1999-2003 Lexus RX300? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself. This method works because the RX300 uses a basic RF transmitter. You'll need at least one working key fob. First, get in your car and close all doors. Insert your key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Turn the ignition to the on position and back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. Remove the key. Now, press and hold the lock button on your working key fob for 1 to 2 seconds. Within 40 seconds, press the lock button on the new key fob 3 times. That's it. The ECU should now be reprogrammed to accept the new key fob. Having issues? An OBD2 scanner can help diagnose immobilizer errors. If programming fails, check your key fob batteries with a multimeter. Weak batteries are a common issue in older fobs. Aftermarket replacements are available online for $20 to $50 from Keyless Ride or Amazon. If DIY fails, a locksmith or mechanic can assist, but it will cost more, saving $150 to $300 on average by doing it yourself. Regarding the future, while modern cars use smartphone-integrated keys, trends for the RX300 favor repairs and sustainability, with enthusiasts exploring 3D-printed fob housings and rechargeable batteries. Be aware that these older fobs lack modern encryption and could be vulnerable to relay attacks, though this is rare. Stick to genuine or OEM-compatible fobs to avoid issues and ensure your car's security. Remember, this process has a high success rate, with user-submitted videos showing success rates above 90%.